Coal tar mix poses chemical and physical hazards, so treat each step as a safety operation. When handling coal tar, mix always start by reading the product label and the safety data sheet, and follow any manufacturer instructions for personal protective equipment and ventilation. Wear thick rubber gloves that are chemical resistant and have long cuffs to prevent splash contact with skin and clothing. Use gum boots or waterproof work boots with good tread to protect feet from spills and to prevent slips on sticky surfaces and uneven ground. Wear safety goggles with side protection and a face shield when chiseling or hammering to stop flying particles and splatter. Work in a well-ventilated area and position yourself upwind of any fumes. If ventilation is inadequate, use a respiratory mask rated for organic vapors and particulates after confirming the correct cartridge or filter type for the product. Keep a clean change of clothes and a soap supply nearby, and wash any affected skin immediately to reduce chemical exposure. The three most common mistakes are using the wrong gloves or footwear, poor tool control, and neglecting ventilation and hygiene. People sometimes use thin latex or cotton gloves, which let chemicals soak through and cause skin burns or dermatitis, so always choose thick chemical-resistant rubber gloves and change them if torn or heavily soiled. A lot of injuries happen when chisels and hammers are used without a secure grip or proper striking technique, so keep chisel bits sharp, clamp or brace materials when possible, and strike with controlled force while keeping hands clear of the impact area. Finally, many assume coal tar is safe because it works at ambient temperature and skip ventilation or hand washing, which increases inhalation and dermal exposure. Keep fresh water for washing. Remove contaminated clothing promptly and work upwind or use mechanical ventilation when projects last long. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and posts project threads that let users ask about techniques and safety steps for jobs like working with coal tar mix. We host a discussion community so we can share experiences, find tradespeople, and help contractors find work through our listings and community interactions.